Have you ever wished that your Blackview Cloud Dashcam could automatically save event videos to the cloud? Introducing Event File Auto Upload, Blackview Fleet Tracking's latest feature. Event videos are the most important videos that your Blackview Dashcam records. When your Blackview senses a sudden impact, acceleration, or deceleration, it generates a video that includes the moments leading up to the event, which can be used as evidence in case of an accident. With Event File Auto Upload, your cloud-compatible Blackview can automatically save low-resolution versions of the event videos to the cloud. The videos can be uploaded immediately after they are recorded, even as you drive. Alternatively, you can program your Blackview to wait until it's connected to a home or office Wi-Fi network to upload all of the event videos in bulk. There is no limit to the number of files that can be uploaded to the cloud. Videos stay in the cloud for 7 days. In addition, the Blackview app and desktop viewer let you easily review and back up important videos to your smartphone or computer. To learn more about Event File Auto Upload and Blackview Fleet Tracking, visit blackview.com/fleet-tracking.